Somewhere inside Sony's engineering labs, a camera is reportedly taking shape that could make every current flagship feel outdated overnight. That's not hype talk. That's what several camera leakers have been hinting at for months now. The Sony A1 III, expected to be the successor to the current Sony A1 II, is reportedly in development, and if even half of what's circulating turns out to be true, this camera might not just be an upgrade, it might reset what a flagship is even supposed to mean. So today, we're breaking down every credible leak, every rumor, and every reason this camera has the internet talking already. And by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why photographers are apparently telling each other to just wait. Let's start with the number everyone keeps arguing about. The current Sony A1 II sits at 50 megapixels while still managing insane 30 frames per second shooting, which honestly already felt like cheating. But multiple leaks suggest the Sony A1 III could push past 60 megapixels using a next-generation stacked sensor with a dramatically faster readout. And here's the part that's got people talking in forums at 2 a.m. Some sources suggest Sony might be finally working toward combining that resolution jump with global shutter technology, something we've only really seen properly executed in the Sony A9 III. Now, global shutter isn't new for Sony. The Sony A9 III already proved the full-frame sensor can eliminate rolling shutter completely and sync flash at insanely high speeds. The catch is that camera sits at 24 megapixels, which is great for speed but limiting for detail-heavy work. So the real question circulating right now is whether the Sony A1 III can be the first camera to merge high resolution with global shutter in one body. If that happens, photographers won't need two separate cameras for speed and detail anymore. They'll just need one. Beyond the sensor talk, there's another story quietly forming around autofocus. The Sony A1 Mark II already handles subject tracking impressively well, but professionals working chaotic scenes, think wildlife and dense brush or athletes surrounded by moving crowds, still report occasional confusion. Leaks suggest the Sony A1 Mark III is expected to bring a more context-aware autofocus system, one that reportedly understands scene behavior rather than just recognizing shapes. On the video side, rumors point toward improved heat management and more reliable extended recording, which matters a lot for creators who push these cameras on long shoots. Now let's talk about the uncomfortable part. There's no official announcement from Sony yet, no press release, nothing confirmed. Most rumor trackers are pointing toward a possible reveal sometime in the 2026 to 2027 window, though nothing is locked in. As for pricing, the original Sony A1 Mark I launched at $6,500, and industry chatter suggests the Sony A1 Mark III could push past that, with some speculation floating numbers closer to $7,500 if the global shutter integration turns out to be as manufacturing intensive as expected. That's a serious number, and it's clearly not aimed at casual shooters. It's aimed at working professionals who can't afford their gear to be the weak link. So here's the bottom line. The Sony A1 Mark III isn't confirmed yet, but the pattern forming around it suggests Sony might be building the camera that finally erases the trade-off between speed and resolution. Do you think Sony can actually pull this off, or is this just rumor mill wishful thinking? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit like if you want more coverage like this, and subscribe so you don't miss the moment this camera goes official. Because when it does, this is going to be a big one.